Hello guys, today I've got the Samsung Galaxy A57 and I'm going to show you how you can easily use the Samsung Cloud Backup. At first open the settings of your phone and wait a moment, I need to reset them. And here open your account by tapping on your name over here. Scroll down till you see apps and features Samsung Cloud. Tap it. As you can see, I don't have the cloud updated, so let me tap update. And now here, let me wait a moment. Here we've got the update. Now we are here inside, and how to use the Samsung Cloud Backup. As you can see here, we've got sync data across all devices, which is not which we are not focusing on today. But here, backup this phone. Tap it, and as you can see, if you want to at first set up the backup, select all the applications you want to backup right now. Apart from, as you can see, automatic backups run daily, or you can start one anytime using the button below. So select all these things and tap backup now. Now, as you can see, it's done, so we can tap done. And this is the backup, how to backup the data. And if you scroll down, you can tap restart from backups. Here I've got some Samsung Galaxy A56 Plus, other devices, or my phone, which is this one. We can tap, for example, other one, tap restore, and then yes, install. And now we can just wait a moment. It takes some time if I have some big backup, but when it comes to these smaller ones, it should be easier and faster. After this, everything should be done and 100%, and if you have any problems, let me know in the comment section below. Goodbye.